How do building fire codes define means of egress requirements? Imagine a fire breaks out in a building. Would everyone know how to get out quickly and safely? That's where building fire codes come into play. They set the rules for how people can escape during emergencies. The main idea behind means of egress is to make sure there is a clear, unobstructed path from anywhere inside the building to the outside. This path has three parts. First, the exit access, which is the route from where you are to the exit itself. Then, the exit is the actual door, stairwell, or horizontal opening that leads outside. Finally, the exit discharge is the path from the exit to the street or open space outside. Building fire codes specify how these parts should be designed and maintained to keep everyone safe. For example, the codes say how many exits a building needs based on its size and how many people might be inside. If a building is big or crowded, it must have more exits spaced evenly around the structure. This way, if one exit is blocked, people can still escape through another. The width of these exits is also important. Codes requiring doors and corridors to be wide enough so that many people can pass through quickly without bottlenecks. Usually, the minimum width is about 0.2 inches per occupant, which helps prevent crowding during an emergency. Doors along escape routes must swing outward if the building has more than 50 people inside. This makes sure they open easily and don't get stuck during a rush. When there are more than 100 occupants, doors need panic hardware, push bars that allow quick, keyless exit. Locking mechanisms that stop people from escaping are not allowed because safety comes first. Building fire codes also requiring that exits be separated by a safe distance so that a fire in one area doesn't block all escape routes. The separation is often based on the size of the room or building. To keep escape routes safe during a fire, stairwells and corridors should have fire-resistant materials and smoke protection features. The maximum distance people should travel to reach an exit is limited to reduce their exposure to smoke and flames. Accessibility is another key point. Means of egress must be usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. This means having accessible paths, alarms that can be heard and seen, and clear signage. Exit signs must be illuminated and easy to see, even if the power goes out. Emergency lighting helps guide occupants to safety in low visibility. Firefighters also relying on these standards. Well-planned egress routes help them reach trapped occupants and evacuate people faster. Regular inspections ensure these routes stay clear and functional. Building fire codes are designed to make sure everyone inside a building can get out safely and that emergency responders can do their jobs effectively.